Hey friends, so today I'm going to show you how to get a list of all the files within a particular folder in Google Drive. So I've created a sample folder and some sample files of different types: image, notepad, XLS, and the PDF and the music file in a particular folder. So what I will going to demo you is I will just pass this folder name and I will get the list of all these files along with the sharing URL. So many times what we need to do is just, let's say we are having tons of files over here, so we need to go to this particular file, then select the URL and then share across to it. So I am going to show you a method which will just give you all these file names along with the shareable URL. So let's get started. First step is you need to click over your new Google Sheet, create a blank Excel blank spreadsheet. So this will create an spreadsheet. Then what you need to do is just click on tools and then click script editor. So when you click on script editor, it will open another window which will a type of app, which will create a type of app which will run on a function. Don't worry, you don't need to write any code. You just need to paste this code which I will share in the description. Okay, so now what you need to do is replace this folder name with the folder name which you have. So in our case we are having sample folder, so I will just copy this folder name and just pass it over here. Okay, once done, so this is a particular app which we have created in Google Drive. So what we are doing is just getting the name of the contents in this file sample folder and the URL appended to it. What we need to do is just save it, sample project, and then run it. So it is asking for the permissions. So any app other than Google will ask you to review the permissions. We will go yes, review the permission, select the account. If you get this particular screen, just click on advanced and go to sample project. Don't worry, this is completely safe because we can see from here that we are not going to delete any particular file, nor even edit. It is saying that it will just view and manage. So you just say allow. Okay, now it is running this function over here and it won't take more time to execute it. So we are back to this folder. I will just refresh it and what you will see is one more file over here. So just open this file and you will see the name of the different files which I had along with the URLs. So if you click on any particular URL, let's say which one, let me see, untitled spreadsheet. Okay, so I will click on untitled spreadsheet. So it will open that untitled spreadsheet. So in this way what you can do is you will get the list of all the files along with the shareable description. Now you can play with this code like you want URL or you want the get ID. You can also get directly the ID which you want to share with your friends. Okay, so this was the demo. So meanwhile, let's say you have another folder. So what you will have to do is just replace it over here. This will remain saved in your Google Drive and you can use it any number of times. You don't need to create it n number of times for different folder. For different folders, you just need to replace this particular name with the folder name which you want to replace. Okay, that's it for the day. If you like this video, just give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. God bless you.